Hey guys, it's Silvana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm really excited about it to begin with because I'm gonna be making an eyeshadow look using the Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette. Guys, this palette is so beautiful. I'm in love with it. And today I decided to do a more neutral look with it. So I used the top colors, these four right here. And this is the look I came up with. As you can tell, it's a more wearable look, so it's not too crazy. However, I do want to make another look using the more fun colors in this palette, so maybe I'll do that in the near future. I don't know, maybe it'll be my next video. Maybe you should subscribe just because of that. I don't know, just a clue, just a thought. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you wanted to learn how to make this look, just keep on watching. Of course, started by pinning my hair back. And I know exactly what look I want to do because the other day, this is actually, I think, the first look I made with this palette. It's like a more neutral, you'll see. I don't really know how to explain it. It's like, I guess as neutral as this palette gets. So as I do with all my eyeshadow looks, I like to start by priming using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It's just such a go-to. We love her. We're just loyal to her at this point. I honestly haven't used other primers though. So if there's any other primer that's actually better than this one, you should let me know. That way I can buy that one and I don't know, switch it up, you know? I think it's time. Okay, so using this Lancome kind of like fluffy brush, I'm a beauty guru. Just kidding. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm gonna take Tanacon, which is a very like neutral. I really like it just because I feel like it kind of just, it could be the base for a lot of different looks. I need a mirror. I don't know what mirror to use. Oh, maybe the one in the palette. I'm so smart. Actually, this is kind of heavy. It's fine. Okay, we'll use it. Ooh, I haven't taken this off yet. That was really satisfying. So taking Tanacon, we're just gonna place it, she's a little dusty. We're gonna take it and practically just put it in the crease and on the lid, but focus it in the crease. Yes. Every time I take some of the eyeshadow from this palette, I'm like super gentle because I don't want the little symbols to erase because they're so cool. But I guess I'm just gonna have to get over it because they're gonna erase eventually, you know? Taking a smaller, like, I don't know what this would even be called. We're also gonna put Tanacon underneath the lash line. I like to focus it more like right here, like in the center of the eye, because I feel like it like opens it up more. Carly Bible taught me that, you know, learn from the best. Now, going in with Diet Root Beer, we're gonna place it kind of more like on the crease now, like we're actually gonna darken up the look a bit more. Now that it's getting a little, not really dark, but like starting to notice like there's actually eyeshadow on me. Now I'm gonna take Spiraling. I love this color. It's so pretty. It's the color right here in the corner. And again, just place that on the outer crease to, you know, finish darkening up the look. Now we're just gonna take a fluffy brush that has no product in it and just go in and blend it, that way it's not harsh at all. Now we're gonna take Just a Theory, which is this like champagne-y color, and we're gonna place that all over the lid and in the inner corner. Okay, look how cute it's starting to look. It's like coming together. I think I want to do a little bit more brown underneath. So again, just with this time I'm going to go in with the Diet Root Beer though, not Tanacon. I'm gonna go ahead and make a winged liner look today. I don't think I did that the other day when I did this eyeshadow look, but we're feeling it today. Now I'm gonna put on these Ardell natural lashes just because I feel like it's gonna complete the look, but I'm gonna do it off camera because I don't think I'm talented enough to do it like right here. Now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead with a black eyeliner and put some in my waterline. And finally, I'm just gonna take mascara and combine my real lashes with the fake lashes. And this is the final look. I really like it. It's very neutral, as you can tell. It's not like over dramatic. I want to make another look with like the more dramatic colors, like I don't know, maybe the neon and the red and stuff. So maybe that'll be the next video, a more, you know, less wearable but also fun to do. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. And make sure to like this video as well as comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.